Autumn's magic isn't just in the colors, it's in the leaves themselves, a treasure trove for gardeners. Most see fallen leaves as a chore, but they're actually nature's gift, packed with nutrients trees gathered all year. In Japan, the philosophy of motenai, never wasting, guides gardeners to transform leaves into rich, crumbly leaf mold. The secret? Rice water. This kitchen staple, full of starches and microbes, jumpstarts decomposition, turning leaves into black gold in just a couple of months. No fancy equipment needed, just a partnership with nature and a bit of patience. This process creates a gentle, life-filled fertilizer that improves your soil's health and structure. So, before you bag up those leaves, join me as we turn autumn's bounty into garden gold. We'll gather, prepare, and set up a simple system that rewards you tenfold. By spring, you'll have a supply of leaf mold to revive your pots, borders, and veggie beds. It's gardening at its most resourceful and most rewarding. First, gather your leaves. A mix of oak, beech, hornbeam, and maple is ideal. Avoid tough, waxy leaves like holly or laurel and use pine needles sparingly. Shred your leaves to speed up decomposition. A lawnmower works perfectly. Shredding increases surface area, letting microbes work faster. Think of it like chopping veggies for quicker cooking. If your leaves are dry, moisten them until they feel like a wrung-out sponge. Too wet, they'll get slimy. Too dry, decomposition stalls. For convenience, use strong black plastic bags. They absorb warmth and keep things tidy. Make sure your bags are sturdy and dark to help the process along. This method is perfect for small gardens and keeps your leaf pile neat. With leaves prepped and bagged, you're ready for the next step. Now let's make our rice water activator. The magic behind this method: when rinsing rice, save the first milky water. It's loaded with starches and beneficial microbes, especially lactobacillus. Pour this water into a clean jar or bottle and store it loosely capped in a cool, dark place. Over a few days, collect enough rice water for your project. As it ferments, you'll notice a slightly sour smell. This means the microbes are multiplying. For your leaf mold, dilute 1 part rice water with 10 parts regular water. This mixture will moisten your leaves and introduce a powerful microbial workforce. The rice water not only provides moisture, but also energizes the decomposition process. It's a simple, free way to supercharge your garden recycling. With your rice water ready, you're set to activate your leaf pile. Let's put it all together. Time to assemble your leaf mold factory. Fill a black plastic bag 1/4 full with shredded leaves, then sprinkle with your diluted rice water. Layer more leaves and rice water until the bag is about 3/4 full, leaving space at the top for air. Squeeze out excess air and tie the bag securely. Poke holes all over for ventilation and drainage. Place the bag in a sunny spot. The black plastic will absorb heat, speeding up decomposition. The warmth and microbes work together, transforming your leaves quickly. This method is faster and neater than traditional piles. Set the bag down and let nature and your rice water do the work. Your part is mostly done for now. Next, we'll keep the process moving with a little weekly care. Your leaf mold bag needs a bit of weekly attention. Once a week, shake and turn the bag to mix the contents and introduce fresh oxygen. This redistributes moisture and keeps decomposition even throughout the pile. Check the moisture. If it's dry, add a little water or rice water until it feels like a damp sponge. Avoid overwatering. Too much moisture slows things down. Watch for changes. The pile shrinks, the smell turns earthy, and you might spot white fungi, signs of healthy decomposition. Regular turning and moisture checks speed up the process dramatically. In just 2 months, you'll have rich, crumbly leaf mold instead of waiting years. This small weekly ritual pays off with a superior soil conditioner. You're not just waiting, you're actively guiding nature's work. Your attention is the key to success. Keep it up, and you'll be amazed at the transformation. Let's see what happens after 2 months. The science behind this method is simple but powerful. Leaves are tough, full of cellulose and linen, so they need help breaking down. Rice water provides simple carbohydrates, giving microbes an instant energy boost. It also introduces beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus, which kickstart fermentation. The black bag's warmth creates the perfect incubator for rapid microbial growth. Microbes eat, reproduce, and break down leaves much faster in these conditions. As they work, they unlock nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. The result? Leaf mold that's not just decomposed leaves, but a living, nutrient-rich humus. This is why the process is so much faster and more effective. Your garden will thank you for it. After 8 weeks, it's time to check your progress. The bag will be much smaller and heavier, proof of transformation. Open it up and breathe in the rich, earthy aroma. No more dry leaf smell. The texture should be dark, crumbly, and fine, like used coffee grounds. A few twigs or tough bits are normal. Sift them out or leave them in. If you still see lots of leaf pieces, just reseal, shake, and give it more time. Most batches are ready after 2 months, thanks to the rice water and warmth. This is your black gold, a gardener's dream. If needed, let it sit a few more weeks for perfection. The process is forgiving and always moving forward. You've turned autumn's waste into a valuable resource. Now, let's put your leaf mold to work in the garden. Here's how to use it. Leaf mold is a soil superhero. Use it everywhere. For heavy clay soil, it loosens and aerates, making it easier for roots to grow. In sandy soil, it acts like a sponge, holding water and nutrients where plants need them. Spread a 2-inch layer as mulch to suppress weeds and insulate soil. It keeps soil cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and feeds earthworms. Mix it into potting soil with compost and sand for a perfect seedling mix. Leaf mold's gentle nutrients won't burn young roots and help retain moisture. It's the ultimate way to recycle autumn's bounty. Every handful improves your garden's health and resilience. Enjoy the rewards of your resourceful gardening. Traditional leaf mold takes years and lots of space, often impractical for modern gardeners. Open-air piles are slow, need a dedicated spot, and can dry out or get waterlogged. The rice water bag method is a game changer, fast, compact, and easy. The black bag and rice water create a mini bioreactor perfect for small spaces. Solar warmth and microbial power speed up decomposition dramatically. You're not just waiting, you're actively creating the best conditions for success. In just 2 months, you get rich, living leaf mold, no more multi-year waits. This method honors tradition but adds a clever modern twist. It's efficient, rewarding, and connects you to nature's cycles. By embracing this technique, you're gardening smarter and greener.